United States?
When you're born under marine law, they come in, and the reason you get a birth certificate isn't to prove birth, it's to prove ownership.
Who owns you?
That's a good question. We don't know, but we do know what that number's worth to them, $6.5 million. I'll give you all a challenge. Call the Social Security office
Okay.
and ask them to explain to you what that number is on the back. Now, some Social Security cards have that number in black, and some of them have it in red. Actually, they all used to be in red, which meant that was the representation
Of the deficit.
of blood
No shit.
and deficit. Yeah, because when you're in the red, you are in
Deficit. You're in the
a
negative.
deficit. When you're in black,
You're in the positive.
You're in the positive. You're good.
So if I pay my debt that I didn't even build on my own, then I can maybe get one in black?
If you pay and if you buy yourself,
If you buy yourself.
For $6.5
I didn't know
million.
we had to pay for ourselves.
that's right.